You want to see a hot dropshipping product? Something that's going viral right now, leading into Black Friday, into Christmas in 2023? Well, my friends, my name is Scott Rayleigh. I've made over close to $20 million with e-commerce, guys. My first store is $13 million, but that's besides the point. I want to share with you this amazing product. I'm here to share with you what's working now and how you can go viral and make a ton of money before the holidays. And it's all about the right product. And this STAR Projector I'm going to be breaking down today is phenomenal, guys. It's got a great advertisement. It's a great review. Great profit margins, incredible profit margins. And it's got a great store that you guys can brand and go viral branding a store about this STAR Projector. We're going to look at the Google Trends. We're going to look at video, the actual advertisement, and the product cost itself. So if you guys like this, you want to see a really hot product and go over the actual profit margins and to see, just recently it launched, guys, and it's made over $1,000, this product. The profit margins are over $40 it's about a $59 product. And if you guys know this space of constellation and stars, you know that it's already proven, guys. It's a proven space. It's been a ton of profit already. And the stores and the advertisements are amazing. So we're going to go over that today, guys. So if you're excited about this, like this video, give it a comment and give it a share because we're going to be breaking this down right now, guys. The STAR Projector. So let's take a look at the Google Trends. I know one thing that you guys are going to get excited about is Google Trends doesn't lie, guys. Facts do not lie. The data doesn't lie. And if you see here, every year, right around Christmas time, it goes up. It goes right up in December time. So all I did is put in STAR Projector, and you see here for the last 5 years, it goes up in the December time. And what's going to happen here during Christmas and Black Friday is that this type of product, guys, is going to go viral. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the video now. And I will share with you why I have that type of expertise, guys. My first Shopify store